Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the Graco Pack and Play Playard with the Bassinet top. So Graco has been around for a really long time. They're a great brand that makes all different baby items. They definitely hold up and they last for a while, so I certainly recommend them. So I just want to show you guys, this is the top piece. This is the Bassinet, and then this comes out and then it just becomes a regular pack and play. These days they call it the pack and play, but for years they were just called playpens. It's essentially the same thing. So this is a great item to have on your baby registry. If you're a new parent, this is a must-have once the baby starts sitting up. Or if you don't have a regular bassinet, which I actually had a regular bassinet I got rid of because my son never liked to sleep in the bassinet. It was just not comfortable for him. So I'm like, okay, at least when I have another baby, I could use the pack and play with the bassinet piece. And it was not that expensive at all. And it's lasted because second baby, and this is where he's going to sleep once he comes home from the hospital. So if you guys would like some more information on the Graco Pack and Play with the top bassinet piece, please just be sure to check my video description for that. So it's pretty soft. This is actually, this piece goes on the bottom right now as well, but since I'm going to be using it as a bassinet for now, that's why I have this piece on the top. It's soft, it's cushiony, and it's not that thick. It's pretty thin. This is on wheels, which makes it like super easy to move around the house because once I stop using the bassinet piece, my son will be using the bottom. So this was my saving grace. Like if I was cooking dinner or doing laundry or something, I could just put the baby in the pack and play with some toys, and they would keep themselves occupied for hours. Or just put on a show and they could sit in the pack and play and you know that they're not going anywhere. So you aren't in any trouble until they start climbing. So right now my older son is climbing out of things. So he really can't go in the pack and play anymore. But every baby is different as to when they start being able to do that. It could be, 16 months. It could be like over 2 years. So it comes with a really easy to use manual, and everything is pretty much, all the information is placed on here. So it tells you about using the bassinet. You do have to put it together, but it's really simple. I think it only took my husband like 20 minutes. So it wasn't in too many pieces. And this mobile part I actually put together myself. It was 3 pieces, 3 plastic pieces, and then this goes over it, and then these stars kind of just like Velcro onto this piece. So there's a Velcro on the back, and then these stick right on. That, like, my son is only a couple of weeks old, so at this point, he really won't be able to see the mobile. But once babies start noticing things and stuff, like, this will be nice to have, and then they could reach up and play with it. So as you can see, there's like a stain in there. So this does not come off. So you really can't wash this. It's kind of just like spot clean only. So I did use some Shout and wiped it. It didn't quite come out. It's probably a food stain. Sometimes I would like put my other son in here with snacks. But you could certainly wipe it clean. And the sooner you wipe it clean, the better, because the stain will come right out. But it's very, very smooth, and you just need like a warm washcloth and a little Shout, and that goes a long way as far as cleaning everything. Very lightweight, easy to move, and I love that it's on wheels. And then you just have the warning on the side. But I love that it's just like so easy to put together. And there's different designs. I just picked this one because it's like unisex. I didn't know if I was having a boy or a girl the second time. I wasn't sure, so that's why I went ahead with this design. But of course they have like pink, blue. I went with gray because it's like that neutral color. So this is the bottom. I just want to show you guys. Graco says pack and play on the side. And essentially what it is, like I said, is a playpen for the kids. So This is the bottom. This comes right out. So it definitely has a lot of uses, and you can get a lot of use out of it, which I love. So it's a pack and play, play pen, and then I like to use it as a changer too. Of course, I put like a diaper changing pad in here, so God forbid like the baby pees while I'm changing him, it doesn't get all over the pad, but you can use it as a changer as well. So really, it's a whole bunch of things in one. The baby can sleep in this, even if it's an older baby. And the pads at the bottom, they can sleep in this. My son would sleep in this when my aunt would babysit him. So it has a lot of uses, and for what it is very inexpensive. This is the one I would go with. Moms, put this on your registry. So guys, this was my video for Graco Pack and Play with the Bassinet. Please let me know if you have any questions, or if you liked my video, please leave a comment. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.